Hello! Hello! What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today, as you can tell, it's a new tasting and we're tasting this new flavor. Can you guys guess what it is? What is my favorite chocolate? Top 2 favorite? Can you guys guess? Guess? Huh? Well, if you guys don't know, I love Twix and Reese's. That's my 2 top favorite chocolate. And I love that. So which chocolate did I get to try out a new flavor? What chocolate? Oh, you mean this chocolate? Bam! This chocolate, Twix. Let me get closer. This one, guys, the new flavor is triple chocolate. Twix, guys. Triple chocolate. My goodness. When I saw this on Instagram, I saw it like, oh, there's a new flavor, triple chocolate. Oh my gosh. I was like, I must try it. I must. It's Twix, guys. And I love this. Oh, I love chocolate. Love eating chocolate.
I want chocolate milk and whiskey.
So good. So, this is what we're going to try, and let's try it out. Smells so good. Alright, so here it is, the chocolate. Okay, so on the outside you can see that it's covered chocolate. It looks like the regular Twix, but well, let's see when we bite into it. Oh, I'm so excited for this. You can taste the triple chocolate, guys. It's so rich, caramelly, chocolatey. It's so good. It's so good. Let me see if I can get closer. Okay. Hopefully you can see. So this is when you take the bite into it. It has that chocolatey, because it's triple chocolate. Triple chocolate is a chocolate cookie bar, chocolate caramel, and milk chocolate. It's so good. It even tasted like chocolate. So you can see in there, it's all dark and like chocolatey looking. So the cookie is chocolate. The caramel is chocolate, as what it says on the wrapper. And you can taste the flavor of chocolate. But like with the regular one, there's the regular cookie one with the caramel on the top. But this one has chocolate. Look, admire it. Taste it. Oh my goodness, guys. So good. It's delicious. So good. Where have you been? You are so good. Guys, I can't get enough. It's so good. Twix, will you sponsor me? I love Twix. It's so good. This is delicious. I wonder if they have their own factory. I mean, Hershey has their own factory. I would love to see their chocolate factory. I mean, I saw in YouTube where what's that? What's Inside, I think was the one I saw when they went to the Hershey bar. Oh my goodness. They made their own chocolate. That looks so good. I mean, I would personally want to look at, like, go to any chocolate bars. It's like Willy Wonka in the chocolate factory. I mean, please, I would love to come and see all those chocolates. Doesn't matter where, but as long as it's chocolate, oh, I can't get enough. I need to eat the other one. It's so good. I have chocolate in my hand. I recommend you guys trying it. It's a must. Like a total must. And I rate this 10 out of 10. Twix, awesome job. I love it. I so love it. Well guys, that's pretty much all for the video for today. It's just trying this new Twix bar. It's the triple chocolate cookie triple chocolate one. If you guys find it, I recommend you trying it. This is so good. The Twix, really good. 10 out of 10. So yeah, I mean, I would like to try other Twix from other countries, but where could I find one? Can you guys give me comments below? Where can I find all these other Twix? I want to try them. There's like all these other Twix I've seen, but I want to try them all. But these are like all international. But I would love to try some of the other Twix. That'll be so good. But yeah, so please don't forget to like, share, and comment below. What is your favorite candy? I think I said this before, but comment below what's your favorite candy. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys all on the next video. Deuces!